Hello guys, today's video it's an update to this power bank. I've already produced a video how I built this power bank, and I just want to modify this mavic car charger. I use this DC plug so that I can plug it here. Before that, soldering this, I should check where is the negative and the positive. So in this case, the negative is this one, and this small strip, it's a positive. As you can see right to the multimeter, there's no indication here, indication for a negative. If I put the negative, the negative shows to the multimeter. That means it's a wrong way. It's a wrong position that I did. This is how you check positive and negative sign. If the digital multimeter shows a negative or a minus sign to the LCD, this means it's a wrong way. Let's try the positive one. Yeah, there's no indication here for negative sign or minus sign. I put negative test probe to this bigger. The LCD multimeter didn't show a negative or minus sign. Let's exchange the negative this and the positive this one. Oh, that it shows the wrong way. So this black is for negative, so this is the negative connected to this. So this is the positive, white color. Maximum input is 11 to 16 volts. Then this one is 15, almost 16 volts. The light's turning on. Now we charge. The charger selecting to finish this one to fully charge this battery, not this, because it's about 80%. This one is about to be fully charged. Let's check. 80%. To the charger, selecting this one, this battery is it's about to fully charge, and this one 80%, need 20% to be fully charged. So guys, if you like my video building this project, kindly please subscribe, and if you have any questions regarding to this, kindly please comment to the comment section. I will reply as early as my opportunity, and please don't forget to click notification bell so that you will notify every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time.